And with Memorial Day weekend right around the corner, you probably already have some summer travel plans on the brain. That's why we brought in legal expert Danielle Mayoras today with tips for your vacation. Danielle, what are some legal rights when it comes to delayed or lost baggage? That's one of the first things that came to mind because it happens so often.
It happens all the time. If your luggage is delayed, you're entitled to incidentals. So if you need to buy some toiletries or other things to get by, they actually will reimburse you to do that. If your luggage is lost, they will compensate you for it. But what's interesting is every airline has a different definition of lost. It could be lost after 5 days, it could be lost after 14 days. But either way, definitely take a photograph of the contents of your bag so you know what's in there and have proof before you check it with the airline.
Oh, I never thought about that. I know that's also a good thing to do with home insurance. You know, God forbid the event of a fire, to have kind of this.
Definitely. Record everything.
Inventory.
We want documentation of everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Selfishly interested in this question. If you are traveling alone with a child, is there anything you need to do differently?
If a parent is traveling alone, we don't have both parents together, it's always a good idea to have a written note from the other parent, ideally notarized. You don't necessarily need that if you travel domestically, but if you're traveling internationally, definitely get that notarized and signed, because some countries and some airlines require that because they're worried you may be kidnapping a child.
Rentals are becoming bigger and bigger. What do we need to know about vacation rentals to protect ourselves?
All the time. This is a big one. Once again, documentation. So when you go on that website and it shows they're going to have a pool and you're going to get free Wi-Fi, and then you show up at the vacation rental and guess what? There's no pool, maybe there's no Wi-Fi. You want to be able to take a screenshot of what they promise, so if you have a problem, you can fight it. And also you want to check on the rental platforms what protections they have in place, read the fine print, and make sure to take care of yourself.
All right, we've seen this one pop up a lot lately. Can you get a refund if your flight is canceled or maybe even just delayed?
If it's canceled, you can absolutely get a refund. Obviously, if you're going to take that refund, you don't want to take the travel voucher or have them rebook you because you can't get both. If it's delayed and it's going to be delayed more than 3 hours domestically or 6 hours internationally, you can get a refund as well.
All right, we've got about 30 seconds. Any other quick tip?
A couple quick tips. You may want to notify your bank and credit card companies that you will be traveling, so there's not any unauthorized charges that they see and they can be on notice of that. Also, give your estate planning documents and emergency information to a loved one or trusted individual, so if something happens, they know what to do and who to contact. And lastly, check on medical insurance. If you're traveling to another country somewhere else, you want to make sure that you're taken care of in the event of an emergency and have coverage.
Danielle Mayoras, thank you. You're always responsible for about 90% of my to-do list. You add to it
Well,
every
I guess
week.
that's a good thing.
All right, thank you.